So good morning, everybody. It's Beth Boyle, Iowa Trail Rider, and I wanted to share with you my new favorite trailer hack. My husband had a great idea that might help you when you're camping without electricity. So this is it. All of our trailers have an inverter in them. Changes the battery power over to 110 type, so we can plug things in and use our microwaves and different things. But when we don't have electricity to plug into, it can be a problem. So my husband added a second inverter. It's a Best Tech, and it has an on-off switch here. This is 110 plug, this is 110 plug, and then there's a USB and a USC here, and a little on-off light that he mounted underneath the sink in the horse trailer. And then from that, he was able to power this device as well, that shows on the cap here how many volts are in your battery. And as you open the caps, this one has two USBs and a USC in it. And this one has a USB and two USCs. So when I'm out here, like I am right now at Battle Park with this extra equipment, so my battery box is on the other side of this wall, and this cable in here goes to my battery box, and then to this Best Tech inverter, and then two antennas, a USB over there, and these. The thing to remember about these is that they do draw a little juice when they're turned on. So when you're not using them, they do need to be turned off. Otherwise, they do have a little bit of draw. But this cord right here goes to my CPAP. My husband and I can both sleep in here, plug in, and use two CPAPs overnight with this device that draws from our trailer batteries. And our voltage will go from 13, a little over 13, down to a little over 12 in one night. So, yep, if you're a CPAP user like so many of us are, it can be a good solution. So this is the Best Tech device. It has in wires from my battery and an out wire to those other ports. Pretty slick. And if you're local to us in Iowa, I'm sure my husband would install one for you. He is a union electrician. So there you go. There's my newest and my favorite upgrade to my horse trailer. Might be something that could help you in yours. Signing off, everybody. Beth Boyle, Iowa Trail Rider.